Okay guys, I have been distracting myself in the house with cleaning my bathroom. So I have not been paying a whole lot of attention to what has been going on out here because there's nothing I can do about it. But I'm gonna do a quick tour so that you guys can see it. So the good news is the big boys right here in the backyard are still standing. Yay, good stuff. We've got a bunch of trees down though, so I'm gonna take some pictures. I'm gonna say this was not good for our lights job that we did the other day, but it looks like the lights actually are still attached to the cable. The cable just popped at the tree, so maybe we can put it back, but there's a big branch that fell off of that one. And back there, okay, so back by the fence, right there we've got a branch down, but it didn't take out the fence. Back here we've got stuff down, but we've also got stuff that's just really heavy. So I'm gonna get back here and look and see which it is. But I can't get in too close because this stuff's still falling and I don't really want to be underneath it. So all of this stuff I think is just laying really low, at least right here. This stuff's still attached. This obviously is not. This definitely fell from up in there somewhere. Sorry, I had it zoomed in. This is still attached, but is really heavy from the ice. That obviously has broken off. But all in all, the big boys back here are in pretty good shape. We've got some stuff that fell off of this one. And the oak tree over by the pool equipment has had a pretty thorough haircut. Stuff falling off. But in the back, I mean, really, it's not in too bad a shape. I spoke too soon. That one right there just cracked. It hasn't fallen yet, but it cracked. That's what I get. Something just broke in the front yard. It sounds like gunshots, but it's trees. I am standing in a clearing between the trees, waiting for that one to fall. Here it goes. Yeah. So, all right, this is the one that's next to the pool. The one that's next to the pool equipment. It's pretty weird looking in there. I won't know what it looks like for sure until the ice melts and we can see what springs back up. Okay, I'm on the driveway now, working my way around the house. These are all standing so far, except for that dude back there that got snapped off. But you hear the ice crackling. Whenever the wind blows, the ice crackles. So I don't know if that just means the ice is cracking or it means the tree is cracking, but I think it's just the ice. We'll see. Oh man. Can't get too close in there. This one got a weird haircut. Lots of branches have fallen and are on the driveway. Sorry, hon. I'll come drag them out tomorrow when this is over. There's no point dragging them out tonight. Little branches over there. There's a bunch of little branches down by the neighbor's house over on the very edge of the property, but nothing huge. All right, hurry, hurry, hurry through here. Trees overhead. Hurry, hurry. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Oh, down by the driveway. But it was at the neighbor's house. Yay. Across the street. The big guy out in front of the house has seen better days. All right, walking down the street. Headed down Creekside. A lot of crap down. Oh, yeah. You hear it cracking? Look at that. Heard another one fall down by the neighbors. Yuck. Ugh. That was a close call. Back in there. All right, I am back at the driveway and walking up Creekside towards Clark. I'm not sure that branch is gonna make it. You can see the next one, or the big one next to it fell already. Yikes. Something big just fell across the street. I don't know what it was. I can't see it. It's pretty. It's just noisy. That one's had better days. That's gonna take some work. Jeez, it's so noisy. The big ones in the front yard are actually holding up pretty good. Big ones in the backyard are holding up pretty good. We're losing limbs, but not trees at this point. Look at this one. Fell off. that one right there looks bad, but it hasn't broken. It's just heavy and low branches. So it might make it. Every street, or every house on the street looks like this, though. Man. Well, that's cracked since I came through here a little while ago.